so nice.
I know.
Look at Roger's decoration. What is Roger's doing?
I don't know.
Talking about my house?
Yes?
Yeah.
You have no decorations up for Christmas.
What
We
person are you?
do.
This is
Do you
amazing.
not see this amazing decoration right
It's a microwave. That's not a decoration.
here? Yeah, it is.
You're so
Yeah, it
not smart.
You think your decorations are better?
Yeah, look at mine. Look at yours.
Exactly. Oh, just plain. Look at that tree. It has like nothing. It's just like a ornament.
You're really bad at smack talking.
What kind of
At least
decoration?
they all have Disney characters. Who likes Disney?
Everybody does.
Yeah, a lot of people do. But still, who likes SpongeBob? Who likes
Everybody.
those soldiers and candy canes and
It's not
decorations?
soldiers,
And who likes
it's
Rudolph?
sense.
Who likes Rudolph?
Everyone likes Rudolph. Everyone.
But also everyone loves
your
microwaves.
decorations.
Who doesn't love microwaves?
Here's a box. Buy yourself some decorations. Microwave doesn't even work.
Yeah.
Alright. So what?
Do you live in there and cook yourself?
No.
So what do
You
you
know
do?
what? Go back to your house, alright? And
Exactly.
All
Our
right.
decorations are
go.
better.
Go back to your house.
Let's go, brother.
Go back to your house.
Brother.
Why do people not love my microwave? It is so beautiful and filled with holly cheer. Christmas is a time for mind your own business. All right, I was having a very, very, very sentimental moment, and I was probably gonna cry, and you know.
It's hilarious. You're singing to a microwave.
I was singing about the microwave.
Even funnier.
My only friend, okay?
Get over here. It's embarrassing.
That's your only friend. Loser.
Microwave. I think I'm in love with you. I think I want you to be my love. I want you to be my wife or husband. I'm not really sure how microwave genders work. I love you so much. Oh.
That microwave sucks, Roger.
What are you talking about? This microwave is the greatest thing that's ever happened to me in my life, and you want to take it away from me? We're engaged.
Kiss it and then.
Weirdo.
I'm telling everybody in school.
Go ahead. I want my love to be shown to the world. Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long.
Are you sleeping in your microwave?
What? No. Come on.
Ew!
Ew to you too. You human-loving humans. Gross.
Ew. You're like in love with a microwave.
I am in love with this microwave. And what's wrong with people loving whoever the hell they want to?
Destroy your microwave.
Go! Leave me alone!
Loser.
Worst microwave ever.
And that decoration.
Get a new one. Get a girlfriend, a human.
I'll never let them do anything to you. I will stay here with you forever if I have to. I love you.
I missed you forever.
Oh my God. We should go on a double date. Wouldn't